Good morning, students. Dear students, today we are going to start a new chapter of EVS, chapter number 10. The name of the chapter is Water. Dear, have you ever or everywhere seen any picture or video from sky or space? If your answer is yes, then let me remind you that the view is amazing. It seems to be of blue color. This blue color is because of water. Because the water is very precious, we cannot live without water. Plants and animals also need water to live. Students, do you know that 70% of our Mother Earth is covered with water? Out of it, only 2.5%, I mean to say very less percentage or amount of water is fresh water available for us to use. This 2.5% water is also not easily available to all. Rest of the water is hard and unfit for drinking or washing because it has impurities. The next is sources of water. So there are so many sources of water like pond, river, well, hand pump, etc. But out of these, the main source of water is rain. It is the purest form of water. It gets collected in lakes, ponds and rivers. Underground water. Rainwater seeps into the ground. It passes through various layers of soil and gets filtered. We use it with the help of hand pumps, wells, tube wells, etc. The water from various sources is collected, treated upon for impurities. This clean water is supplied to huge tanks and then supplied to our houses through pipelines. Next, water cycle. On earth, we have water bodies like pond, river, etc. Due to heat of the sun, the water continuously evaporated. It rises up in the sky in the form of water vapors. These vapors come into contact with cool air and form clouds. When the cloud become cool, big and heavy, they fall down as rain. The cycle repeats or continues is called water cycle. Do you know what are water vapors? Have you seen a chilled glass of water? Then the droplets outside the glass is called water vapors. So next one is what uses of water. There are many uses of water. Water is required in every aspect of life. Drinking, bathing, cooking, cleaning, flushing are the main uses of water. Water is used for various household works such as cooking, washing, cleaning and flushing. Plants and animals need water to live. We need water for cooking also, and we generate electricity with the help of water. Next one is shortage of water. Now, what is shortage of water? When the supply of water cannot meet the requirement, it is called the shortage of water. There are various reasons for the shortage of water. The increase in the population of the country is the main major reason. When the sources of water dry up due to sunlight and less or no rains, it gives rise to water shortage. Some areas, droughts are also a reason for the water shortage. Next is saving water. Dear students, we should save water, we should not waste water. Water should not be wasted while bathing. We should use bucket to fill water for bathing. We should avoid use of showers. Water should not be wasted while washing clothes or utensils. Water should not be wasted while cleaning the house. Instead of washing the floors with water, we can use wet mop to clean it. Water should be saved while washing fruits, vegetables by keeping some utensils under the running water or by washing them in stored water. This water can be used to water the plants or to clean the floors. Turn off the tap when not in use while brushing. Get the leaking taps or pipelines repaired. Always take the required amount of water you want to drink. Collect rainwater in buckets and use it to water the plants as well as for other household work. In this way, you can save the water. Next one is rainwater harvesting. In this, water is collected in the roofs and transferred onto the ground by means of pipelines. Where it is stored in large tanks, this water is filtered and taken to use later. We can make underground tanks to store rainwater like ponds in villages. So next one, last one is cleaning of water. The water we get in our houses is cleaned in water treatment plants. This clean water is stored in large tanks. From these tanks, this water, free from germs and dirt, is supplied to our houses through pipelines. We can further purify water at home and make it better for drinking by boiling. It is a safe and easy way to kill the germs. We can also use water filtered and electricity water purifier to purify it. So student, this is all about the lesson, but let me tell you something new that you may not know. Do you know who is known as Waterman of India? Yes, he is Mr. Rajendra Singh. He is working in rural areas of Rajasthan. So listen the video carefully and try to understand it and enjoy the rain, because rainy season is going on. You can enjoy you can play in the rain, and as well as you can save the rainwater also. Have a nice day.